Good morning, students. Today I am here to discuss some of the important grammar aspects along with the people. So first, importantly, today we'll start discussing the most important grammar aspect which comes in English language, that is the articles. As you already know that one, article plays the most important role in English language. To tell something about a person, place or thing, as we already know, noun is important. In the similar manner, articles also important to tell actual condition as well as the position of a person as well as the place. In articles, we are having two parts, that is definite article and indefinite article. In definite article, we are having only one part, that is the, and in indefinite there are two parts, that is a and. So in articles we're having two, that is definite and indefinite. In definite there is only one, that is the, and indefinite, that is two, a and. So first we'll discuss something about the indefinite article. In indefinite article, as I said, you were having two parts, that is a or a and. Now we'll discuss something about and, when we have to discuss the indefinite article and in which condition we have to use it. As you already know, in English we're having five vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Whenever a word starts with the vowel sound, we have to use the indefinite article and. For example, an apple. So here comes the A or A. An enemy. An ice cream. You can goes on making huge amount of list of the words which comes or which begins with the vowel sound. So whenever the word starts with the vowel sound, we have to use the indefinite article and. And the most important thing we have to understand here, we are not supposed to use the indefinite article and just whenever a word starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. We have to think that a word should begin with the vowel sound. It is not honest, it is honest and honest. So we are not supposed to stress on H, we are supposed to stress on O. So whenever words begin with the vowel sound, we have to use the indefinite article and. Apart from the vowels, whatever remains, those are consonants. So except vowel, whatever remains in the set, it is consonant. So we have to use the indefinite article a in front of the consonants. A book, a pen, a pencil. It can be anything. And the most importantly, we have to understand one thing here. Whenever we are using the indefinite article a or and, we are speaking about one thing. A book, one book. A pen, one pen. A pencil, one pencil. An apple, we are speaking about one apple. So whenever we use a pen, an apple, or anything like that, we are speaking about one person or one particular thing. So you can make huge amount of list of the words, anything of the, we can say that especially the consonants uh, which begins with a different kind of sounds, but you have to use the indefinite article a. But whenever the word begins with a vowel sound, you have to use the indefinite article and. These are the only two things which we have to pay attention to understand the indefinite article here. So now we'll discuss something about the definite article. As I said you, in English we are having only one definite article, that is the. We are having a very bad habit that, especially we have seen from people, especially the students also, they use the indefinite article as well as the definite article whenever they want. It is not like that. There are some certain rules, regulations are there. We have to strictly follow them, especially when we are using the English language. The definite article, though, we have seen so many people using a definite article though in front of a person's name. Using definite article in front of person's name is strictly wrong. It is. There are certain rules when we have to use and we have to omit also in some kind of or parts of areas. So first we will go when we have to use the definite article the. We use the definite article the in some stages. For example, the things which are only one in the world. For example, the sun, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Taj Mahal, all those things which are only one in the world, in front of those we have to use the definite article the. We are not supposed to use the definite article the in front of any person name, the Mahatma Gandhi, the Nelson Mandela. If you are using these kinds of words or the definite article the in front of a person's name, it is strictly wrong. So when we have to use the definite article the apart from these things, then we have to use the definite article the, especially when we speak about the ordinals. What are the ordinals? First, second, all these are, whenever you use that one we have to use the first, the second. These are the second part. And third one, we use the definite article the in front of some holy scriptures, that is the books. For example, the Bible, the Mahabharata, as well as the Ramayana, like that. So we have to use the definite article the in front of these things. And in superlative degrees, whenever we use the superlative degree, we have to use the definite article the first. The greatest, the strongest. Whenever we use the superlative degree, we have to use the definite article the. And when we speak about group, or group of things or group of people, we use the definite article the. For example, the people. The word people itself is in plural form. When we use the people, we are speaking about the entire group of people. The children, So we have to use the definite article the because we are speaking about all the children in group. The animals, we are speaking about all the animals. We are not speaking about one particular animal. And I will give one more example here. The cow is a holy animal. So we are speaking about the cow means we are not speaking about one cow. We are speaking about all the cows in general, which is holy animal to us. Now, these are the one things. And when we have to omit the definite article and indefinite article, that is as I already discussed with you. I will take one example here to differentiate how to omit the article. Try to focus on this example. I have a black and a white dog. If you read this example, I have a black and a white dog. So here how many dogs we are having? 2 dogs. I am having a black dog as well as a white dog. If I remove only one article here, the sentence will give a totally different meaning. I have a black and white dog. I have black and white dog. How many dogs I'm having in this sentence? In this sentence, I'm having only one dog, that is black as well as white in color. So in the first sentence we had two dogs. In this sentence we're having one dog. So what I'm trying to tell here is a small omission of an article also changes the entire meaning of a sentence. So what you students have to do now, we have to make a list of the words which begins with the indefinite article a, which begins with the indefinite article and, as well as which begins with the definite article the. One more example I will take here. For example, I am standing here, I tell somebody, maybe I am a teacher standing inside the class, I tell one student to go and call the person. When I use the person, it tells that I am speaking about a particular person whom I know. A person, any person. I will call one student, go and call the person who is standing outside. Means I already know the person who is standing outside. I'm telling go and call that person only. Means definite. If I say go and call a person, it means that there are so many persons outside. You go and call anyone. A person, it can be anyone. What does it mean? Indefinite. So the is definite, a and are indefinite article. So try to make list of the words which begins with the different types of articles. Thank you.